Hello students, so today the question that we have this is name two simple machines in each case where or in which we multiply the force, apply force in a convenient direction and apply force at a convenient point. So we need to talk about the different simple machines according to the conditions that are given to us or the cases that are given to us, which is like multiplying force or applying force in a convenient direction or apply force at a convenient point. Okay, so here we can talk about the examples of all of these. So the first is multiplying the force. Okay, means let's say you are applying 1 newton of force, it will multiply it to 2, 4, 8 like that. So a jack can be used to lift a car. So when you talk about a jack, you can say that you are using a screw. Okay, it works on the screw. So basically when you are moving it, that screw will move around along with the thread and can actually help you to lift up a car, which is not possible by a human but with a screw. So this is not a small screw, this is a very giant screw, but doing the same work for you. So these are the force multipliers, I can say. So that can include the lever. Usually the second class lever is always increase your force. Okay, the wheelbarrows is another example. The spanner could be a very good example. The axle and wheels also example here. Okay, so you can consider all of these simple machines. Here it says two simple machines. So I can say lever is one, okay, and wheel and axle is two. And again, you can also include the screw, which is also a force multiplier. Now, second is applying force in a convenient direction. So in that case, a bicycle pedal that rotates the rear wheel of the bicycle, like when you move the bicycle pedals front, the wheels are also going in the front. That is a one example. The another example would be the pulley. So when you're trying to pull, keep the efforts down towards downwards, no, you can see the loads that is going upwards. So your two examples would be what? The one would be axle and wheel in terms of what I can say here is the example of simple machines, and the second would be, so the first as I said is axle and wheel or wheel and axle, and the second would be pulley, either a single movable pulley or a single fixed pulley. Then the third is applying force as a convenient point, not a convenient direction but a point. So a chain can be used to rotate the wheel of a bicycle. I mean, for a within a single example, you can see both of them. Okay, like when you are using a chain which is there in that axle and wheel in the bicycle, so it will rotate. So you are also moving at a straight direction, but the point is fixed when you are paddling. So your paddling point is not changing, like how it is moving. Okay, so that is an example. Then nail could be a very good example again, where you are hitting it with a hammer. So wedge, I can consider it here as a machine. So when you are hitting it, you are simply pointing at one direction. Okay, so your example would be what? The first could be again axle and wheel, and your second example would be, here it is axle and wheel, and as I said, the second would be, as I said, is the wedge, where you can see the force at a convenient point. I hope this will help you. Thank you.